What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to buy Wix Premium Plan. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Wix account on your browser. Then once you log in, you will get here this dashboard and also your site right here. And now you have this icon right here which is called upgrade. So click on upgrade and now here as you can see it will show you a page with different plans that you can choose from them. And I will tell you exactly what you should do in order to choose the most suitable plan for you. Now if you do not sell any products, you just have a website as a portfolio, or you are just providing a service and you do not have any products to sell, you can simply choose one of these two options, the light plan or the core plan. And if you are creating this website to sell products, you can simply choose between these two options. Now, what are the differences between those four options? Now, here as you can see, you have some different features according to each plan. So here in the light plan, you have only 2 collaborators. For the core plan, you have 5 collaborators, and so on for the other plans. And when you scroll down, you will find here a comparison between different plans, including the storage space, the site analytics, collaborators, custom domain, and free domain for 1 year. Now, all plans include custom domain, no Wix branding, plus the customer care. So you will just have to scroll down to see what are the differences. So if you create this website for yourself as a blog or something, you can simply choose the light option. If you are going to have more storage space, you can choose this option, the core plan, and you can simply scroll down and see each item if it's provided in the plan or not. You can also scroll down till you see here show more features, then click on show more features. And here as you can see, you have more features that you can use them to compare between different plans. And according to all of that, you can simply choose the most appropriate or the most suitable plan for you. So now let's say that I'm going to choose this one here, for example. Now, once you click on select, it will show you these 3 options. You can pay monthly or yearly or for 2 years. And you have a 14-day money back guarantee, just in case you didn't like the premium plan or something, or you want to change your mind, you can simply get back your money within the first 14 days. Now, if you choose to pay for 2 years, you will save about $216. And if you want to pay yearly, you will save $48. So I'm gonna just click on monthly and it will show you this note right here. If you pay monthly subscriptions don't include free domain for free, Evans calendar app, and all of these stuff. So I'm gonna click on continue to checkout. Then you'll have here to choose the payment method. Now you have the PayPal or the credit card. Choose whatever method you want. So I'm gonna click on PayPal. Then after that, you should fill in all these information. Then click on continue to PayPal. And after that, you will be able to get your premium plan on your website. And put in the consideration that every website you have, you should buy it a separate plan, because one plan is just for one website. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.